Welcome everybody. Today in this video I'll show you how to add collaborations to your Instagram posts after posting easily. So let's jump right into it. First we open the Instagram app and then go to your profile and then tap on the post that you want to add collaborations to. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the post and then tap on edit. Now you should find right here, you should find add collaborations under the add location. But if it's not showing up for you, just like here in this video, go ahead and follow up with me. What you want to do is go back to your profile and then create a new post using the same picture you want to add collaborations to. And then here just tap on tag people, and here it is, invite collaborators. Tap on it and then search for the collaborator you want, choose one, and here it is added to your picture, but the collaborator has to accept the invitation for it to show up on your profile and on their profile. I hope this method was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe to this channel for future solutions to such problems. Thanks for watching.